Once the EditiX software is installed and you have cloned the repository for the paper, you can proceed to open the project by going to File, Open Project, and then you navigate to wherever you clone the repository. So here it is in my case. Click on Open. Then you want to go to the source code. You want to go to CIM2Mo number 4 XLS. And now that we're here on the main program, we will select the main tab. Then you will go here to XSLT/X query, and then you can transform a document with XSLT. Select this, and this brings us to the XSLT parameters window. This is pointing to the XSLT file, the main one here that we're going to run. In your case, you're going to have to provide the path to the examples that are included in the repository. So in this case, examples, post 14, and you have to select the EQ file. Okay. The last thing you got to do in this window is to give a name to a result. So here, just to do something different, I'm going to say demo. And before clicking OK, don't do that yet, go to parameters. Now, you have to provide the file, in file name, in the parameter file name, you have to provide a relative path to where the example files are located, because this is going to be used to open all of the CIM files. Then you should put the frequency. If you're in Europe, it's 50, and you're North America is 60, and it depends where you are. Then the reminder of the parameters from bus to time 2 are related to a fault block that will be inserted to be able to automatically generate a Modelica model with that you can run with a simulation in a simulation scenario. So the bus is actually the name of the bus where you want to place this. You gotta take a look at the CIM files to figure out where you want it, but in this example, just use the parameters that are given here. And then resistance reactance, these two are the resistance and reactance of the fault. And then time and time 2 is the start and end time of when you're applying the fault. And finally, base is the MVA base. Once you've provided all of these values, then you can proceed to click on OK. And if everything went well, you have at the bottom saying that the operation was completed, and in the result tab here, under the result window, you have the output Modelica file in text. This should be in the output folder, and here we have it. If we have demo, you can open this in any text editor that you want to. Next, we will see how to open it and check it in a Modelica tool.